Morning, guys. So let's see if the weight changed. Alright, there is some change. So I want to see it one more time. Told you never trust the machine. So one last time. Alright, so finally the scale decided to move 0.2 kilos less than yesterday, no less than the previous 3 days. So I think it's going to continue this trend. Hopefully tomorrow maybe it's going to be a little bit less. Let's see. Today's a pull day. I'm going to have my breakfast. I'm not like doing anything special. I'm still going to be having my regular breakfast. Okay, so and I will see you guys at the gym. So I'm at the gym now. This is our pull day, so it's going to be a good pull day. I feel much better compared to yesterday, so I'm not sure why. Maybe it's because I slept a little bit longer compared to what I usually do. We are going to start with chest supported rows. Done with rows, now we are moving on to lat pull downs. So we are done with pull downs, and now we are moving on to my favorite back exercise. I just want to remind you that we are not pushing things too far, alright? We don't want to get to a point where we are so fatigued that we cannot perform properly on our next day, alright? So we are still not pushing things too far. We are trying to do our best form in every single exercise and engage every single muscle that we have. Rolls. Moving on to real delt flies, alright? So, as I said earlier, we're not like pushing things too crazy, but that doesn't mean that we are not going hard enough, right? With real delts, now we are moving on to biceps. Done with biceps, now we are moving on to dumbbell shrugs. Same as last week, 5 sets of until failure, alright? Pick a good weight that you can do like 20-25 and then just go to failure. And the rest in between is like minimal, like 30 seconds or so, alright? Alright, we are done with pull day. End of the day is gone, so the gym is getting really crowded, so I'm gonna head back and I will talk to you guys more on recap, alright? So take care, peace. As you've seen in the morning, I was 84.3 kilos today. So finally the scale has moved, finally. I was expecting this, of course. It only moved by 0.2 kilos, which is like 0.44 pounds, but that's completely fine. I just want this thing to, and reflect what I see in the mirror, okay? So that's the whole thing. So it was supposed to move, and it did. And also, when you are, following this diet, or like any other kind of diet, or like doing my program, or any other program,
these things happen. I just wanted to show you guys, it's like here on a daily vlog type of situation, that these things happen, and sometimes it's just stubborn and it just doesn't move. All right, well, but finally it's over. So moving ahead, I'm still not changing anything, but for example, if my weight loss continues to be not good enough, like during the rest of the week, like not as fast as I want it to be, if it comes to that point, then what I'm gonna do is that I'm gonna, as I said, either lower my calories or increase my cardio. So the decision is basically based on which one do you want to sacrifice first. If you're eating like all right, like you're not super hungry, right? So you can go ahead and sacrifice your food. If you have more time in your hands and you feel like you're not, doing enough in terms of cardio, you can just go ahead and, increase your cardio. And also, as I'm getting leaner, you're gonna start noticing during my, for example, workouts, even though I pass them like quite fast. By the way, I don't know, do you guys want to see like sometimes maybe a slower section of my workouts? I'm not sure, just to see like how I move the weights. If so, let me know. You're gonna start seeing that I'm gonna be getting leaner and leaner. Eventually my face is gonna get smaller. I think even if you watch some of my videos from like a month ago, I think you can most likely be able to see some difference in terms of the size of my face, maybe like some definition, like striations in my shoulders and whatnot. And also you're gonna start seeing more vascularity. There is nothing to be scared of, okay? These are normal. As my body fat gets lower, you're gonna be able to see more of those, okay? So, and with these, when you see more vascularity, when you see like more definition in muscles, it is gonna look like as if I'm getting bigger, but I promise you I'm not. So don't worry about it, all right? And it's gonna be the same for, when you're at a certain leanness and when you get to an even leaner physique from that leanness, you actually look bigger, especially like on camera, all right? Even in person, I would say, compared to like a softer look with like a little bit more fat or water. So anyways, tomorrow is gonna be a push day, so I like push days, so it's gonna be a good one. We're gonna push it hard, and that's gonna be pretty much it for today's video. Like if you like the content, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff, share if there are some people who you wanna take along to this journey, all right? It's a very good way of actually getting someone accountable. If you have like some friends around you or like someone from the family or so on, like get them to work out with you. It's good, it's a healthy thing, all right? So I'll see you guys tomorrow on push day. Thanks a lot for watching.